Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Epic Games launcher. So you need to search for Epic Games and open it. After that you need to go to your library from here, and after that you need to go to Hogwarts Legacy. So it will be on the install section if you have installed it. After that you need to click on the three dots. So from the three dots you need to click on manage, and after that you need to verify the file's integrity on Hogwarts Legacy. So click on verify, and now it will verify the files, and it may take sometimes like a couple of minutes, and if there is any corrupted file, now it will correct it and you can try to launch the game again. So if this didn't actually work with you, click on the three dots again and click manage. From here you need to click on the open install location button I see from here. So this will open Hogwarts Legacy app file location. You need to actually copy the directory from here, and after that you need to search for graphic settings. Hit on enter, and now from here click on add desktop app. Paste the directory that you have copied and select Hogwarts Legacy app and click on add. After that, search for Hogwarts Legacy and make sure that you choose the GPU preference to be your high performance GPU. After that, now you can try to launch it again and see if the issue is fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.